Hello guys, in this video we are gonna learn about loops in Python and how we can use them to run our program. So without wasting time, I'll simply start the video. So first of all, what loop is? Loop is simply program by using which we can repeat some steps over and over again according to our needs. Like if we want to print 10 times, then we can use loop 10 times to print that value. So let's start by programming it or coding it. Um, First of all, I'm gonna show you the syntax of for loop. So here it goes: for I in range 10. So what this loop will do here is, here for means to repeat this value for I in range 10. Range 10 mean the length could be maximum to 10 and it starts with 0. So it starts with like 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. So total 10 numbers will be there, and here I represent those numbers. So if we print I inside the number, sorry, inside the loop, then what we can get is we can get 10 values starting from 0 to 9. Let me run it and show it to you. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how for loop works. Range specifies the upper limit, which here is 10. So the loop cannot exceed the value 9. 9 is the maximum limit a loop can get here, because the upper bound is specified as 10 and starting will be from 0, as it is default set by the programming language. So this is what for loop does, and I can show you one more thing, like 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I'll replace this thing with x. Actually this is a Python list, but we haven't learned Python lists now, so you won't understand it how it works, but I'll simply show you how for loop is works here. So I represent values in x, and here x is assigned as 1, 2, 3. So I will represent 1 and 2 and 3. So I'll simply save it and run it, and let me show you here: 1, 2 and 3. So guys, this is how for loop works in Python. Now let's move to another loop, which is while loop. And while loop is similar to Python, but there is a condition, like how many times the loop will work while a certain condition is met. Let us say a is equal to 1, and we have to run our loop while a is equal to 10, or you can say a is not equal to 10. So what does this line means? That we can iterate or repeat the steps under this while loop till the value of a is equal to 10. If it is not equal to 10, then we have to whatever we write inside the while loop. Let me write here print hi and save it. Oh, it is a string, so I must close it in double commas and save it. Here the value of a is 1, and this loop will work till the value goes to 10, but we haven't increased our value of a here. So this loop will work infinite times, because there is no breaking condition, no increasing condition, no decreasing condition. Let me run it. First let me clear it, and since it is going to be an infinite loop, you can see it here, and see it's going on high high high, it's going on and on. So let me just close it, and that's it. Now I'll write a statement here: a plus plus. In Python plus plus don't work. A plus 1 simply, and save it. Now what will happen here is, the value of a is 1 and it is not equal to 10, then it will print high, and then the value of a is increased by 1, which is 2. So it will work till the value of a is increased by 10. So let me run it and show you: high 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 high. These are 10 values of high, and this is because of this condition. So this is how while loop work, guys, and I have explained you both types of loops in Python, and that was all about loops in Python. So guys, if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos, and thanks for watching, guys.